Hey, what's up, Cardano? So today I have something very special for all my viewers, my subscriber. So most welcome for new viewers and most welcome, my brother, for new trending and earning. And who decide, my friends, to earn and crypto? Definitely, it's a very good decision, my brother. And absolutely, you are lucky to you will be watch our ABS Tech channel videos now. ABS Tech channel will guide you, update you every time, every day. If you just only follow ABS Tech instruction, so absolutely you will be earning every month now. So my brother, today we will talk completely about the Cardano price prediction and definitely we will share opinion. But remember, this is not a financial video, so kindly without any watch, without any doubt, my friend, just and only watch this video. And after that, my friend, after this video you will be research more on Google, Instagram, Twitter, and after that you will take a decision to sell, hold, or buy, invest any coin, my brother. Please research personally. Alright, so this time, as you can see here, my brother, Cardano is completely on the trending in a crypto market, and Cardano will jump very fastly, and absolutely everybody knows this too. If someone, if coin will starting moving upward, so this is a good time to you will be buy now. So as you can see here, this time the Cardano chart, so this clear showing my brothers to they will moving upward, so kindly you need to hold and buy more and more. If you are already holder, so this is very good time to you will be hold now for the end of this month. Definitely the last 10 days of every month every coin will moving upward now, so therefore I am 100% sure to this coin will hit now 3 USD dollar. So 106.16% they will profit in last 1 month, and I hope to they will hit now 150 point something they will hit now. They will just and only get this percentage, so I will give you guarantee to they will hit now 3 USD dollar. Congratulations, my brother. Absolutely, you will be completely in the profit, and I hope my prediction is totally going to be positive now. So, therefore, my opinion is also to please hold. And what's your opinion? Share it in a comment box. Thanks for watching, my viewers, my subscriber. Don't forget to subscribe this channel and also press the bell icon for videos notification.